Stockx. This is going to be my last Stockx purchase for a while, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I am giving away a pair of Jordan 11 Gratitudes to one of you guys, my subscribers. To enter the free giveaway, like this video, subscribe, comment down below, let me know your size, take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, with proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube on release day, December 9th, for the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Now, let me open these up, and then we're going to talk about why this is going to be my last purchase for a while from Stockx, because it's not good. Not good. Not good news. But we're going to take a look at what shoe I did buy lately from Stockx. So here they are. We do have a Nike SB box, and for some reason my receipt is right here, not inside the box, but that is okay. I did pay $266 and some change for this pair of sneakers from Stockx. So let's get into these, take a look at what shoe I bought, and then I'm going to tell you guys why I'm done right now purchasing from Stockx. There's a reason. I think you guys will understand in a moment. So let's get into this. Right here we have the Nike SB box. Box does read white, black, safety, orange. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike, size 11. And these right here are a recently released Nike SB. Ooh. We have the Nike SB Tight Booth. And as you guys can see, we do have the Stockx hang tag. Yes, sir. Bought from Stockx. Here they are. And we're going to have to legit check these. Make sure they are all good to go, 100% authentic, because they do, of course, make fakes of these Nike SBs. So let's go ahead and legit check these quickly. Looks good so far. All right. They do come with a sticker as well, so that's a good sign. And everything looks good so far. I'm just going to take a look at everything. They look good. I'm going to be honest. This is not a hard shoe for me to legit check. Some people may not be able to legit check it, but for me, I can pretty much right away when it comes to the Nike SB. It's not that hard of a shoe for me personally to legit check. I know what to look for. And yeah, these look good. These look dead on good. So I'm very happy they did send a 100% authentic pair. But we're going to take a look at the quality of the pair. The quality control of the pair, because that is a reason why I'm going to be done buying from Stockx right now in the time being. And right now I am seeing a little bit of quality control issues on this shoe. Nothing too crazy, but a little bit. There's some fraying going on and some glue and some stitching, just extra stitching and things going on. Quality control not the best, and that is why, one of the reasons why I'm going to stop buying from these apps, Stockx, right now. Because I don't know what I'm getting anymore. And it's annoying. It sucks. Guys, I've been buying pairs from Stockx lately that I haven't shown you guys, and quality control on a lot of shoes has not been good, to say the least. Up to par, not at all. Now, I know that is not Stockx's fault entirely, because Stockx doesn't make these sneakers. Nike does, right? However, Stockx is the middleman. You guys can do a better job on the quality control of what you're passing. I'll say that. A better job. And I did have some orders canceled recently. Why? I'm guessing people are not sending in their shoes, and it's a big deal going on Stockx right now. It's been happening to me left and right lately, where I've been purchasing on Stockx, and orders are being canceled. Sellers are not shipping their shoes. Stop doing that. I don't know what's going on, but it keeps happening to me where orders are being canceled. Luckily, this order wasn't canceled, and I was thrilled when it wasn't. I was thrilled. I think I know why it wasn't canceled, because prices dropped a little bit compared to when I bought them. So that's probably why. But other than that, people are canceling orders left and right on these apps right now, and I don't know what's going on. I really don't. It's frustrating me. Let me know if you guys are having that problem on Stockx or any app right now. Orders are being canceled on me left and right, and when I do get shoes in, lately quality control is kind of all over the place on the pairs. Now, like I said, I know that's not on Stockx entirely, but they are passing the shoes, right? So, yes, it might be authentic, but quality control does matter a little bit. I'm not one that's so picky. You guys have to realize I'm not very picky on it, but certain things are just obvious. If it's too obvious, then it's a problem. If it's not that obvious and you're digging deep, then I understand. But, you know, StockX just needs to do a better job of passing good quality control sneakers, because they haven't been lately on me, and they've been canceling orders on me. So, with that being said, I'm going to take a break for a while from buying from StockX. I might have to go use Poison or Goat for a little bit, because StockX lately canceling order galore. And when the pairs do come in, if I get any orders, quality control has been a disaster. Luckily, this one wasn't a disaster as far as quality control. However, these did take like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks to come in. So it's taking a while. New release that was backdoored. I'm going to be honest, these shouldn't have taken that long to really come in. It's a heavily backdoor Nike SB. SBs should be coming in faster. Guys, this is crazy. My last purchase from StockX. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you guys are buying from StockX next. I do recommend still using it at the end of the day if you want to, but use it as like a last resort if need be. That's how I look at StockX, but I still do buy from them, so it is what it is. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. This is my last purchase from StockX for now. Thanks for watching, guys.